I am of the opinion that resolving the insecurity or whatever thing in Southeast should be victim-centered. Omambo, the other way around. I near from the victims. We solve the problem. The good thing is that we are restoring security without Nadekalo in Southeast. The insecurity infrastructure put in place by Nandukalo through their ESN and unknown government across the other area have been dismantled. The last one, Umaka camp and all that. So, Ndibo never restored their security. Or Mandizi, but it's happening small. Because on an stars, one open area of my business saying, Oga when the business na Nibo. And opening when they business, all man do what? All man do open all on air, don't want to hear name and name.
Thank you.
So that's the essence of trying to say that what Nandikal so that next thing among will be.
We've seen some people from the north that also terrorize people. We've seen them being granted media interview and then some of them calling for negotiation. We've not seen any of them being arrested. People are saying, "Kekisi agrant is ndị na-eme na north interview, mana ndị na-eme na east na-ejenga." What do you have to say about that?
The truth is that there were a lot of bandits in Nonga, Mande Burebu, Kanku. That's the truth. There were a whole lot of them Nonga, Mande Burebu, Mande Bube. Then when the Iga for some local government in our village, negotiate and all that, which most of us condemned. Because all you ana kundi bandits and the terrorists ana kuha ransom na hego. Hadi aposi. Hego ane go mongo na memo. Do ha believe on a business anaga. Once you are giving them money, ha believe on afia na azobria. Azusube na afiken. So ha kidnap kwa and don't make the opposition criminal enterprise. E kidnap one man na state here. Government feel embarrassed. Government commissioner or full commissioner there say negotiate. Mano commissioner India had that kidnap or possible. We just say government negotiate. Government says you draw government wait 300 million. Ojeni kidnap 100, 200. Okay. So the business continue. So you throw your another place. What had business? Do you get? So the point is that there should be a policy that don't negotiate with them. And that's why I'm also calling for how much is where return to cashless economy. Cashless, doing Onyia package of cash. Because that period, only be kidnapping. Age technology face here out. Because when you kidnap or you see American transfer, you may transfer. So we need to, because we use technology, we also say, one way I book laws also need to join it. Nobody can go no back. We man bend the money, you know, nobody can go no more. Do the attack laws, zone down with Manaka technology bill. In need the agent up and nobody data at Lagos. We give 2,000 or 5,000 years you could use. It will look at ATM, you Lego, or in order to make transfer to Nicola. So, no, the Mazan or Balu Pussy Lodgers, check because Nahana did Jigo. It's no wrong way phase it out. So, we need to come with technology to face up some of these challenges out without wasting, without energy, much energy.
Dalo. And a part that some of us are not talking, the repercussion of the amount of blood, but the spiritual repercussion, that people are just so the man na village na so here na so you go, wiki the spiritual side of this thing in the next, or how I recover in the next 5-10 years. Go ahead.
I got recover my Sinibu. Higher, you know, higher, building down aqua. dịka anyị Igbo dị gwa ha na aka fa adịrị ya na ọbọkwa anyị gburu anyị sokwa anyị sọpọtụ ọkwa biko nụ na anyị amalụ onye egburu mana anyị na-ayọ obodo abịa kwupụ okwu because ya nọ n'obodo kwupụ okwu si na ndị ọbụla egburu ma ndị egburu n'ike biko na anyị na-ayọ biko anyị na-ayọ unu mgbaghalụ unu na ọbọkwa obodo anyị asọpọtụ kwa anyị kwupụrụ okwu anyị nọrọ in support na ọgarịcha unu biko na amalụ ndị mere unu sowe na ha ndị mmeri ha na anyị nwe anyị soro rapụ obodo yọọ mgbaghalụ
How do we achieve that when we know that the custodians of our culture is our kings, ndị igwe, traditional rulers, and then some people are of the opinion that some ndị igwe nọcha ihe na-eme na ndị igwe macha ihe na-eme mgbe the team bidocha that na any igwe ma PG si na ọmarọ ndị na-eme ihe n'obodo bụ onye asị na some of them was even giving them information. So how do we achieve that ebe bụ na ndị igwe machakwa agba nkịtị? So ke ndị ga-eje yozi biko na-abụrụ ndị igwe? Go ahead.
Ndị igwe bụ victim. Ị mara ha mere igwe ha bụ? Kedu ihe ndị igwe ya eme? Ebe ha bịa gbaa polisi ọkụ, gbaa polisi awalọsọ, igwe ya report polisi. Igwe ya nọziri igwe most igwe na dozi area gbapụ. Igwe iseke gba na obodo oyibo. Igwe liru gbapụ. After Igwe Iseke was the former chairman of Anambra South Traditional Group. I know this area too well. I know and my Igwe Iseke, former retired soldier, BIAFRA soldier, Obapo, and so many of Igwe. So, can you go game? When did you go police? Go army, police are now boss. You go report. So, you man, see him and hand on side and how come put na Iseke lilu osumo also if you took and all those areas ndị mmadụ ama ha mana onwe ihe ga-eme ị na-ama ndị lawyer bụ ide anya obere of ma ha bụ gị ozugbo so onwe ihe igwe the handicap so igwe ha bịa kpọrọ ifu onwe video m na-egosi igwe ndị ha bịa kpọrọ ipu ha bosses igwe n'Imo State kpọrọ ha doing na ha igwe. Some of them over 70 years. Do we know na gasa na we able to dia n'isi. Ọ dịka igwe dịka onye ala. Ụmụazị enwe respect. Ha metolana. So on this note, about is just about igwe. Obodo ya gbakọ ọnụ kwubi okwu. Kpekpele yo ha mgba ya sị na aka anyị adọkwa ya o mete egbulu. Yes or no, yes or no, do by I support. Or what sort of I adult support.
Yes.
Because when they had to know when they had you the way and they bring us they won't when they had most of them have Hanike, most of them have Babu, they have you. So some of these things to against Johari, they believe that some communities already, like Lizu and others, Hanchi.
I want to make healthy living a culture in our society. The time to make exercise, you sweat. That sweat is very important. Ibana garden, bela kukwani very natural food. Or if your body need it, just new abuna day to chukusike. Dalo. Is Biafra a feasible project at all? Biafra?
One, Biafra is not feasible. Let me tell you again. It's not. And Biafra, even Biafra of 1970, 1969, about the Biafra of now. The claim of territorial claims are those the same. Biafra of today in Akwa Ibom is not ready to follow you. Cross River is not ready to follow you. And again, Biafra is nobody is giving you Biafra. What we should be talking about visual Biafra. Visual. Why do I mean visual? Biafra that doesn't exist. You know, that mindset focus on the economic growth. How do I grow my economy so that I can negotiate? Or if I'm focusing on education, how do I build a tech hub in Southeast? Now, man, as Southeast, I think Silicon Villa. Or a technology, man, Southeast. In pool technology. Can you hear the Malai? Open education, how do we build world standard education sector that the world or focus on AI and technology. Focus. Obudia can you do a malfa? Obudia can you do a massage? Na do mean Kubia. When that's the area I have to say now. How do you develop your transport sector infrastructure so that logistics movement can be easy within the hub? What are we negotiating with? What is our negotiating power? Our economy is down. Our population or economy. What is our negotiating power? Let us forget this defeatist mentality. Let us take advantage of the little we have and start driving it. Look at the law, enabling law. Now the law has given you power for energy, power generation, giving you power for railway and what have you. Explore these things and start working on this or put pressure on the government where necessary for them to look less on these things and are called state creation or distraction. Biafra, distraction. Instead, focus on the energy. Every year we are sending 100 youths to study AI, technology and AI abroad every year. And I'm best school. I raise the fund. So that now within so year, we go do very strategic on this sector. On the choose sector, drive beer. Okay, today, each people talking about you may hair transplant and teeth, skin transplant. No, have the best in the world.
BBL. BBL too.
Yeah, yes, all have the best. Or as in the world, and I did for anything like that. So, if we choose who I focus on here beyond the trade and commerce. I am maybe also. So, email you try, man. I got this solid. Man, no Kabia. I'm asking a Biafra. One name when I say Biafra, that be Bobna. You are a major Biafra. Maybe try to oh my God, no move boss in that would be too lego. Was it catch very good? Now the color to go to Mama went to now. Amazing case or their KG, maybe or wanted the Biafra or team in a trouble, near the zone in trouble. Only one man came with that time. Was Nana Biafra so job. My dad has so when I call my dad here go. We say to office, and we branch in another GTC Oka. We branch a different Abakaleke, all this. The man we raise ask no, I'm maybe going to the registration. The man we book it. So this thing was a game for job men. On a Obale again now. And then the buying, Uncle you have an ecology, draw question. Actually, the mother saying, don't need the president, I ain't Biafra mandate. For the Makamofodan, I know you well, na Biafra. What did you go to have minister? No, but we bonnet Niego, na Biafra, I ain't minister.
And then I heard that some people in the village, some of those boys are also waiting to claim the houses there.
God bless
and
you.
Claim your mansion as a rich man.
Oh, when they are saying na Biafra na Biakita, you know ya ini me. Ibu moto ga you know ya ini. Mo ne de moto bi oye wo na Biafra de and I go moto na ime moto na. And I munye gi bunye. No, that's his idea of Biafra. And again, Biafra to them, but no one went on Biafra, no wall, only when I call Biafra, see. Biafra yourself, the doctor, Biafra give below, only when I call them wall, only when and that's why at the time you watch him behind him, at the time, hand after her saying, is that what Biafra should be? Ibu motor a bag Ibu motor a bag he go out address question. How we could complex it rest of my problem.
Because people stopped driving luxurious cars. Everybody started disguising.
Oh, or one more on a bit he enjoy his always away. It's okay. Or we will enjoy go it allow. Maka na anyị ebe Biafra. Anyị Igbo should be our fortress. Yes, anyị na-achụkwa ọsọ Igbo na Igbo that peace. Izuche ike nata ya elugido ọrụ Igbo nata na Igbo bịa zuo ike. Ihe ndị Igbo na-emekwere mgbe onye nọrụ na mba na-alụ ọrụ na-edozi bi ebe ya na retirement. Bụkwa na Igbo ka ya na Igbo ka ya na retirement.
Yes, ancestral home.
Ọ na-alụ na-edozi bie ka ọ ya esidere ya mma ma ọ nataba retirement ya. Ọ natata retirement ewunye ọkụ ebe ọ ya agbajizi. Isi na-eme IPOB na-eme unknown government. A na-akọrọ ya aka ụmụ ọma. Mana the truth bụ na it is the informed, minority informed. It's left for the minority informed to inform majority uninformed for there to be a general information across the board. It is the minority informed that will inform the majority uninformed for there to be an informed larger members of the society. So we are now informing the majority uninformed for them to be informed that this thing is not possible. And because but some of us are stubborn to stand on issue we believe that is good. Because sometimes crowd is not always right. Yes, crowd is not always right. And that's some of the problem of democracy, which Aristotle kicked against. That it open up the system for Onyia, he just need, he can control the crowd. What I'm saying in essence is that leadership sometimes is not following the crowd. Sometimes it's the ability of the leader to see what is right for the people, even when the people are not seeing it. That is where you become agenda-setting personality leaders. You set agenda. Because you see ahead of them. You think ahead of them. No, I don't do that. Even when I manage PR, I manage image as a career. When I manage in the boardroom, I tell my client how it is. This thing will not work in-house. No, because I should be able to tell you the truth ahead of time. But the point is that Igbo must be bold. Tell Onyia, the Biafra is not coming. It's not there. There is no room where the chance is happy here. Sit down and plan how to get the power and use it for and do the boom. Not gonna apply they have grab boy. We did do good or power in China. Give me bapu, all of you lose. No, I will go power in those beha. In a day, in what was young, we could see what in winner job. See one below till the grab boy, we need to see a boom. We go no way to see a boom. Not only we go no open a dozy beha. We want to maintain short rapozia. Meanwhile, you will go with dozy. Jeweki will take one and with dozy. That is what it should be. And how do you do it? How do you manage the whole all these things? Convince others to believe in you.
I want to make healthy living a culture in our society. The turn to make exercise, sweat. That sweat is very important. Ibana garden, bela kukwani, very natural food. Or if your body need it, just new abuna de Ikechukwu.